Motorcycle Rock Show. Take a look how nice. Color of the flower, color of the motorcycle. Flower, motorcycle, almost the same. Blue, electric. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a lovely motorcycle scooter, a really lovely one, a very good one. So, we will see in this video, in details, what about this motorcycle. What we got in this motorcycle? We got everything. This is a luxury motorcycle. It's keyless. Where is the keys? Here is the keys. And also there is a eye, let's say here, that if this is dead of battery, you can put it here. That is also another eye, and open it, the bike. Lovely system. We got windscreen that is going up and down, but we need tools for that. We got a bar that is moving up and down, but also we need the tools for that. We got handbrake. We got a lovely saddle for both of the riders and handles for Georgia. So we got space down of the saddle that it's enough to put inside one helmet and many things more, believe me. Maybe a second helmet, but not a full face, the second one. Also, here we got the fuels. Both of those are opening from here, and the position of riding, it's lovely. Everything is in a correct position. I am well protected. The mirrors are not original, and I have very nice clock with many things on it, and the most important, the logo of Kokina Fengargia. Okay. Hollywood. What we got here? In a right screen, we got few bliblikia, ABS, temperature and etc., oil check and etc. Now you can see the kilometer counter on 0. You can see the temperature level, and you can see the fuel level. In the screen that is on the left, we have few information up that is got to do with pressure on the tires of the bike, in the volt, and kilometers per liter and etc. And down of it we got total kilometer counter, daily kilometers counter, and of course we got a kilometer counter that informs us when we have to change the belt. Now we are also in you can see that we have a blue light in both of the screens and the red one. This is the two programs. The one is the slow, let's say, programs for the range, etc., and economy, and that's it. And the other one is the fast program, that the bike is full horses. Now I'm going to the central screen that I love it because it's got Kokina Fengargia logo by the owner. We love our people and they love us. And also you can change and put many things. This is try to find your mobile, is connectivity, weather, and many things, too many screens that you can play with it, and or you can put a photo here, as the owner have put here the logo of Kokina Fegaria. So let's start the bike also. We have also the heated grip somewhere. Where is it? Anyway. Okay, here is it, nicely. So now we started because the bike is ready to go. It's a wild one. Oh, stop it, Georgia.
No.
Oh, that's it. Also, I have space here and I have space here. I have a plug also inside. They are not really big, just for small things. Okay, so we got steppers for Georgia, metal. We got single stand, we got a double stand. So, Georgia, please.
What a simple stand.
You feel comfortable?
Yes, it's comfortable. Here.
This is a long distance motorcycle scooter, so you have to feel comfortable
Very
enough
comfortable.
to do the round of the world.
Well, it's a little bit hard.
I can tell you that it's a hard, yes.
Yes.
Also for me, the saddle is hard. It's not uncomfortable, it's comfortable, but it's hard. Yeah?
The position here is very nice. Nice handles, but it's a little bit hard to see.
Okay, you can fix it. You can put in a saddle a gel foam to be a little bit more soft.
A small cushion.
Okay, I feel comfortable, I am well protected, and let's hear the sound of the engine. That it sounds nice, it's very alive. So let's start and change some direction, something that we do it not so easy, but we can do it. The brakes are nice, and the performance is excellent. I love it, very good for the category. Ladies and gentlemen, we got a twin 4-stroke engine, 550 cubics, liquid cool with 8 valves that moves with a belt. We got a belt, okay, and we got a lovely adjuster that you can control it from everywhere. I love it. And give us 53 horses at 7,500 RPM, 55 Nm at 5,750 RPM, and it's 210 kilos dry. That means that we get something like a quarter of horse for a kilo. This is good. This is make this bike fast. Also, we got a tank that is got a 14 to 14.5 liters, and we got the consumption by the information that the owner give us from 4.5 liters to 5.5 liters per 100 kilometers. That is good enough for this category. The engine is fast. The bike is lovely, it's powerful, you have the power, and I will show you now in the bridge to bridge. Of course, I don't know what video I will show you because it's very hard to film this kind of LCD screens, and also I have nowhere to put the camera, so I start the bridge to bridge with the camera here, camera here, camera here. I will see after what is the best and I will show to you. That's it. This is a really beautiful motorcycle, a nice face with a nice windscreen, nice LED lights. I love it. The flashlights here, a big fat upside down with double base set on it. I love it. And the brakes, it's a wave style, aluminum wheels, and we got amazing 4-piston caliber by Brembo from both of the sides. I can see here that it's the radiator of the engine, and back we got also a big wave style disc that is functional both of ways with a lever from here and also with a second lever for the handbrake that it's mechanical. So finally, do we have brakes in this bike? We have amazing brakes, but I don't like the ABS. It's not the best possible ABS, but of course anyway, this is just a scooter and you feel safe anyway. Quality, nice quality. It's 3 years old and the bike is in perfect condition. Looks like new. I love it. What about it? We have two kinds of plastics, those that they are satinette color with a bit of perla on it, and they are soft and nice, and they are fit lovely. And also we have those black that they are also soft and fit nicely. Here is a little bit hard and is not fit nice, you see it. The saddle is perfect. We have no corrosion nowhere. This is a really very good made motorcycle. I like it in every level. On the street, the truth is that you can burn the streets. It's okay, you have a bit of power to put just a small fire on the street. And this bike is moving easily outside of the city. It's a long bike for a big roads and feel very comfortable in a big highways. Inside the city, it's a big bike and is not feeling so comfortable, but of course you can move as with any bike inside and outside of the city. It's cornering nicely in a big corners, but is not change directions very fast. Anyway, it's a bike that I consider that it's very good for a highway. Tell me what you believe about this scooter.
Well, when you get to use it a little bit, it's a very nice scooter. I think that it fits me. It goes. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. It's very beautiful scooter.
And it's very practical. And you can do anything. You feel very safe on this motorcycle. You can put many things inside. Yes. This is a very good thing. Yes, and most of all, it's beautiful.
It's a lovely scooter. I will tell you now what I don't like in this scooter. The only thing that I don't like, the ABS is not the best possible. The brakes are incredible, but
yes,
the ABS system is not the best possible. And I believe that in the newest model, because this model was outside in the market till 2022, and probably the newest system in the newest model is a bit better. Otherwise, I like everything on this bike, and especially it looks so nice and so live and makes you feel younger. Okay, so Georgia, I will ask you something. You have used this scooter and in the back saddle and in the front saddle. You feel comfortable in the both because it's a little bit hard, both of the saddles.
Yes, it's not that soft, but it's okay. I can live with it.
And something else that can be better is the handbrake. You opening the handbrake, okay. Why they don't put that in the side stand? So in the time that you take the side stand down, the handbrake is opening immediately. This is a little bit old system for so young bike, so new bike. Young bike for a youth. Okay, so this is Ioannis and Georgia. Or Georgia and Ioannis better, it's a lady. For Kokina Fengargia Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching us. Το σκουτεράκι πήρα να πάω για σουβλάκι. Στο δρόμο ξαφνικά συνάντησα ένα όμορφο λουλουδάκι.
Λουλουδάκι.
Ναι, τι να πω. Δηλαδή δεν μπορώ να είμαι φυσιολάτρης.